Hi guys, so I'm getting ready for my media tour, right? I want the guys to tune in, right?
I know some people are disappointed, so I just want to have time to explain my piece, okay? Okay. Oh yeah, now.
Numbers where they here, Khalid collect 17.66%. Cyph, you collect 14.41%. Why Christy O collect 0.8.89%. But let us say
no, you're saying 8.89. You know, even when you shock, but the 8 not shock you. Like you not plan say, may your family and friends vote for you before you go the house, Christy O. And what happened?
That story, see, now long story, but I go shorten out. The process is very long, right? Okay. So my skin started breaking out, water reaction and all of that. So when I got
your brother water dirty.
The water no dirty, but my skin no just go with water.
Okay, now why you not even join them for the pool?
Yeah, exactly. Because my skin is very sensitive. So I had a conversation with Big Brother and he put me on medication that first week. I know, I mean, like it's a skin related stuff, so your skin needs to relax. So whenever I take that medication, the next thing I've slept on.
In all sincerity, they never get the day inside the non girl right now. Who now suspects they don't consume the highest number of condoms?
If I dey honest, at first, at that very first week,
yes,
I been teaching I just specifically won't catch
cruise. Okay, now they hide that.
You say you just want us take one or two zans
so that make person talk.
Complain, and then we can't suspect people. But I don't say as at second week,
it don't become reality.
Because they see body, like I say, body language. They see some kind of body language. They be say, yeah. But because of the personality now, based on what I don't see, and based on the fact that in the try avoid some things for first week. I said, come on, I beg, I come for competition, but as if I'm just focus on what I come for. Until I come out that side, I say, wahala. So last, what did I be the team? Last, they so we move.
No, you know what? Mention the people. You mention their name, they fear.
Me, I don't fear that.
Khalid and
Okay, so the first one is this. Who is most likely to jump off a moving train?
Jump off.
Brian.
No. That would be Khalid.
Who is most likely to get detained for harassing a policeman?
Brian.
I get Fina. Thank you.
There you go.
Fina.
You're doing well, like a thing in the house now. So do you see that actually happening? Like you guys taking it to the next level once this whole thing is over?
Yeah, well, I'm an open person, right? So definitely, if when everything's over and she's open to it, definitely, I have a soft spot for her. Don't be honest.
Okay.
Right? Exactly.
So that means you're single.
Yeah, I'm single.
Are you single?
I am single.
Okay.
I am single.
Okay. Yeah, no girls anyway laying claim to you anymore.
Somebody's about to call you out on social
As you
media.
can see, I have no. Literally, I'm only having this.
Okay, I see. Oh, fantastic.
Hey, bros.
Christy, oh, daffodil Christy. So dedicated person.
Bridget Christy.
You were serving on farm. You're loving pharmacist. And she was on drugs.
Don't leave me.
Honestly, there's levels to this thing.
There's a way in which you say from Savvy, that you know how they different
Exactly.
Is it now?
So she knows what you knew what you did.
Oh my
So talk to me about your magical inclinations.
There was no romantic whatever.
What?
Farm savvy.
So you put us on a cruise.
No, farm savvy. I don't know. I just like catching.
See the way she's touching her
Savvy.
head.
Oh my god. No. Farm savvy is just my friend.